Welcome to another interesting tutorial, Soulmate. So we're going to be looking at how to draft this beautiful design with that manipulation. So I'm using a miniature body size, and this is my basic bodice. So what I'm going to do is to reconnect my dart position to the place where I want it to be, and that is on the neck point. So I marked from the bust point to the neck point. What we're going to do is to transfer our basic dart, the waist dart and the bust dart back into the neck point. That is where the new location of the dart is going to be. So all you have to do is to slash from the neck point to the bust point, then you close your waist dart as you can see me doing, after which you're going to close your bust dart as well. And I believe we all know how to close a dart. Just look at the way it is being done. So once you close these two darts, automatically it transfers to the new position. So I added paper underneath, right, so that I can continue with the design that we are working on. So now that I've placed this on a new paper, I'm going to mark what I have on the shoulder line and divide it into two, right? Divide it into two to get a midpoint. And then I'm going to measure the back neck width, okay, the back neck width, and I'm going to mark it starting from the shoulder line of the front. So wherever it stops, I'll rule my midpoint, my mid center line down to that point. I hope this is understood. So once I mark it, whatever I have on the shoulder, that is what I'm going to mark there, the width. Remember, the width for the back neckline, we used it to extend the neckline so it can get to the back. Now the width on the shoulder, we're going to extend it this way, right, and continue the line so that there will be equal measurements. So once I mark it, I'm also going to mark it like this, and then the other excess paper is what we're going to cut out. So I just want to make sure that my lines are accurate. It's looking like it's bending, but they are the same measurements, right? So once I mark, I'm now going to trim off the excess parts that I do not need. Okay, and before we go on, this is the Honest Fashion House and Academy. Please do well to subscribe to this channel so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video, especially cutting tutorials like this. You can get to learn a lot of things from it. If you can cut it, if you can draft it, you can always sew it. The sewing is not always the issue, but the foundation. Okay, so once I do that, I'm now going to mark out the area where the design is going to be. At the center front from that line, I'm going to mark the width where I want the design, the gathered design to be. So I'm going to cut it out so that we can work on it. Okay, so once I cut it out, what I'm going to do is to slash it. You can see the way it is to slash it to give us excess for gathering, right? So you can slash as much as possible and you can extend it as much as possible depending on how voluminous you want it to be. So I'm labeling it for identification purpose so I don't get to mix it up when I extend it, because right like this I'm slashing it. So if you don't label it, you might make the mistake of mixing them up together or turning it upside down. You can see how that one went, but the number has helped me to place it right. So like I said, you can slash and spread as much as you want. So I'll place on another paper too and then use it to cut to the extent to which I have slashed and spread it. This is also my neckline. So once this is done, we're now going to fix it back, right? We're going to fix it back, and this is what we have. Now note that whatever is being done on this paper is actually what you're going to do on your fabric, right? Is what you're going to do on your fabric. So you slash, you spread, and then you fix it back, and this is what we have. This paper is on fold, right? So if you're working on your own, you're not going to slash differently. It's going to be on fold so that the center baseline will not have a joining on it. Okay, so we'll make this and then we'll fix it back. Now remember that the shoulder also extends to the back, right? And this is what we have. So we're now going to close up this shoulder dart. You can see that it is wide. We're going to put it together so that we can as well join it to the back, and it will give us the design that we need. So this is what it's looking like, right? This is what it's looking like. By the time you fix it, join it to the back, it's going to take this beautiful shape. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe if you're just meeting this channel for the first time. If you've not subscribed and you've seen this channel before, please, I don't know what you're waiting for. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. If you did, I'll see you in another video. Bye.